Inside your if statement, add a set timeout function. Set um, timeout function that takes in a callback function, okay, and delay a set to 500 milliseconds. So if a 1 second is equivalent to 1000 milliseconds, that would mean the 500 milliseconds is actually half a second. So that would mean 0.5 seconds, a second rather. So what does a set timeout does? It actually, this function will be executed and delays a half a second. And inside the set timeout function, there would be an alert and with the message of the game over. Now, as you can see, there is a template literal. So this would have the total score. It will extract the I'm sorry for getting angry. I'm getting angry for myself actually. So this will extract the value of the total score to this string game over. Your total score is this one. So rather than using the double quotation or what? So rather than using the double quotation or single quotation, since we have a template literal, we should use the backticks and then copy paste the string. So that would be it. Nice.